Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about Unit 12 Muslim Modern Thinkers Qasim Amin. Okay, Qasim Amin born in 1863 December 1 in Alexandria, and he died in 1908 April 22 in Cairo. He was an Egyptian jurist and Islamic modernist and one of the founder of Egyptian national movement. Okay, keep in mind, he is an Egyptian jurist, Islamic modernist, and one of the founder of Egyptian national movement. He is the first feminist. He is known as the first feminist in Arab world, and he criticized the whaling and seclusion, and he criticized the early marriage and the lack of education of Muslim women, and he also diminished the legal right of women in marriage contract. He greatly influenced the work of Darwin, and he's one of the famous quote is, if Egyptian didn't modernize along the European, they would be eliminated. He believes that the improvement of women's status in society is improve the nation. So the major factor of the improvement of nation is the improvement of women in that society. So because he argued that the women are the backbone of society, so they have to improve their social status. And his main major friends are Muhammad Abdu and Saad Zaghloul. They are mostly influenced the life of Qasim Amin and his ideologies. And we have to discuss a little bit about his biography. He born in aristocrat family. His father is the governor of Diyarbakir, and his mother is the daughter of an Egyptian aristocrat. And his father is a commander in the army of Khedive Ismail at that time. Okay, at the age of 17 he finished the law school, and he got a scholarship to go and study in France, and he studied in the school of Montpellier in France. People says, or scholar says, he got a most influence in the European styles after his departure into the France for education. He motivated in the Western style and Western life, especially in the treatment of women. And in 1899, he write a book, Tahrirul Mar'a, that means liberation of woman. In that book, he blamed the Egyptian woman whaling, and he argued to avoid or abolish the whaling of women in Egypt. He known as a member of intellectual society. It gave the connection to society and the education, and he built it led to develop of Cairo University and other national movements during early 19. His educations are, he got his primary education from Alexandria, and in 1875 he got education Cairo Preparatory School. He studied in Cairo Preparatory School, and in 1881 at the 17th age he got a law degree from Khedive School and goes to France, and he married in 1894 with Zainab. His careers are, he is the member of British Civil Service class in 1885, and he appointed as a jurist in mixed court based on Napoleon judiciary system. He appointed as a jurist in mixed court that follow the style of Napoleon, French style of judiciary system. He was one of the founder of Egyptian University, known as National University in Egypt. Okay, his posts are, or his ranks are, he is the Chancellor of Cairo Court of Appeal, and he is the Secretary General of Cairo University, and he is the first General Secretary of Cairo University, and he is the Vice President of Cairo University again, and he started An-Nahda, that means a renaissance in Egypt in 19th century and 20th century. First, he accepted the ideology of Muhammad Abdu, and he talked for the revelation of woman must to abolish the wheeling, and he also talked changing custom is changing costume, and he didn't support three talaq, and his works are Tahrir al-Mar'a, liberation of woman in 1899, and in 19 a new woman, Mar'a Jadida, and third one is Hukuk Nisa fil Islam, fourth one Kalimat, fifth one Al-Amal al-Kamil li Qasim Amin, sixth one Al-Misriyun, these are the seventh one Slavery of Woman, and eighth one The Young Woman, ninth one Paradise, and other one Mirror of the Beautiful. These are the work of Qasim Amin, and his ideology is woman necessary to educate. The education is necessary in woman. If woman cannot educate, the next generation didn't get a better education. And he argued that if you need to study, you must avoid veil, and he suggests Western dresses, and he also argued that polygamy must be avoided. Some criticism arisen against Qasim Amin, and the Leila Ahmad, she is one of the main feminists in Egypt. She also strongly against the ideologies of Qasim Amin. Okay, these are about the Qasim Amin. So next we have to discuss about Fazlur Rahman. He is another modern thinker, Muslim modern thinker. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.